Orthopedics interested me once I arrived in med school and even prior to med school. Growing up, I played a lot of sports. I unfortunately had some injuries. I came down on a jump shot on a defender's foot, rolled my ankle, hurt the pop, and then the rest is history. I'm one of the people, and I can honestly say when I get up in the morning, I'm truly happy to go to work. What is unique to my practice is that I think three different things. Number one is that I do perform minimally invasive surgery. Number two is that I do robotic assisted surgery. And number three is that I do a lot of partial knee replacements. Minimally invasive surgery thought process is that hopefully patients are able to have less pain after surgery and then return back to their activities quicker than more of the traditional approaches. From a robotic surgery perspective, that allows me to have more information before surgery as well as intraoperatively to help patients achieve what they'd like to achieve after by an implant that's specific to them in the operating room. And then number three is a partial knee replacement or a unicondylar arthroplasty. Patients have reported throughout the literature that they do better. They like their partial knee more when it's compared to a total knee replacement. Patients need to be individualized because what's good for one patient is not always good for another. So therefore, specific things need to be done for each patient to help patients achieve a great outcome at the end.